In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Google Sheets app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, first let me uninstall the app. Now to get this app, you need to go to your phone and look for Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. Because I'm on Android smartphone, I'll go to Play Store app here and then just using the search bar here, just search for Google Sheets like that. And if I run my search, now you can see we have our Google Sheets app here. Tap on it first to see that you have the right one, and you want to make sure the app is from Google LLC, that is the official producer for Google Sheets. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 2 million reviews. It has widely been reviewed. At the time of recording this app has over 1 billion downloads, and the average file size is around 32 MBs. If you see all these details, then you'll know that you have the right Google Sheets app, and this is the current logo. Now to get your app, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Google Sheets app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it straight from here, or if you go to your apps and open, now you can see we have our Google Sheets here. It is written as Sheets. Proceed and tap on it to open. Log in with your Gmail account to start using it. So that's how you can install the right Google Sheets app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.